My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Big Brother Naija Season 9, their live eviction show, they air today, and we don't see different housemates welcome into the show as a pair. Big Brother Naija house, it seems as if they changed the venue because this one looks more bigger than the previous one wey be say they use so far. This season e look as if na so fight we go settle because Big Brother bring different people from different places, something wey be say never happen before, and fans they don dey drag each other already for street. So the first pair of housemates wey be say enter into the show, their name na actually Chinwe and Zion. Together they say their name na Zinwe. And the theme for the show for this year na no lose guard. The first pair of housemates, two of them, they say they don dey date for just 5 months and they dey in a relationship since then. Obviously Chinwe na Igbo while Zion na from Edo. Then the second pair of housemates, they call themselves Femi, David and Nikki. Together they say their name na the Radicals. They claim say they be virgin, they be gym mates and they be friends. Two of them, when I just see the two of them, I just know say it's like these two people, if Big not pay them their money after the show, they feel beat the guy. So the third pair of housemates wey be say come, they say two of them they be, when one of them na DJ, the other one na Ruti. They say they come to scatter sheep for the house. They have been friends for 10 years. They meet for university, and their two name together they say na Flourish. Then the fourth pair of housemates wey come inside, this one na aunty and her niece na come into the Big Brother house. The woman name na Chime, and the other one, the niece name na Nne. So the two of them, their name together Ndine. They are both family. The fifth pair of housemates wey come into the Big Brother house, they say they be colleagues, they be adventurers, abi wetin they even call am, they dey go adventures together and all of that. And their names na Tofa and Soj. They say that they call themselves Ice. Then the sixth pair of housemates wey come into the no lose guard house, the two of them they say they be friends, they be male and female. They say they be besties, they have been besties, they met for Dubai, and since then they have been besties since 2022. So their names na Sean and Victoria. When I look at Sean, I just dey see the spitting image of Shex. He get the body build, the asset, the color and all of that. And Victoria on the other hand, she looks a bit calm. So two of them, they say their two names together na Shatoria. Getting to the seventh pair of housemates wey come into the house, this one na identical twins. They be women, you no go even fit differentiate who be who, which means say these two people they go really cause problem for the house, because you fit go tell this person something about her sister, now that one go, you know say na the person wey you dey talk to now be that. So according to them, they say their names na Wani and Handy. Together their name na Wani x Handy. Then the eighth pair of housemates wey come into the no lose guard house na Instagram influencers. They say their name na Ben and TJ. Together their name na Better. The ninth pair of housemates into the house, these ones two na identical twins, and they are from a family of politicians. Mbadiwe twins, now they call themselves together. The name na Ozi and Osi. To the two of themselves, two of them identical too, and it go dey difficult to even know which one be which. This one Big Brother bring two, this one we say Big Brother bring two twins into the house, not be small thing, female and male. It mean to say this season go be the hottest season where they ever come out from Big Brother. So the 10th pair of housemates where we say come to the show, these ones too, they be friends. They say their name na Toyosi and Damilola, and their pen name na Tammy. Now the 11th housemate, these people, their own vibe just too sweet. The reason why I dey talk am na because of the fact say one of them na stripper and the other one na beauty queen. Imagine when Aba meet Regina. According to the both of them, they say their name na Nelly and Anita, and their pen name na Nelita. Some people they say the pen name look like Nelisa for BB Titan, but to me I think Nelly na more of a vibe than Anita, but I sure say two of them they go still deliver. Then for the 12th pair of housemates, these two people they be just weary boys. Honestly, they say their name na Toby Forge and Mayor Frosh. Hey, not be smart, their name come together, they say na streets. That we dey for these two people hard, I swear. So the next one, the 13th pair of housemates wey come into the Big Brother Naija no lose guard house. Two of them actually they married. They dated for 10 years. That is two presidents don pass go. I been waiting, and they come finally get married for February. Then they say they go lie to the housemates, say they are not married. They say their name together na double K. Sure say this marriage no go scatter, so no be say I dey pray make e scatter, but relationship of 10 years, after the guy don drag e leg tire, come manage propose, they come marry February year this year. Now na wan come enter inside Big Brother marriage wey be say just start, na wan go try the marriage for Big Brother house. I don't think it's advisable, but if they really wan come give us drama for there, who am I to say no? So two of them, I'm looking out for them right now. I think say them na my number one couple for that house. Into a Google say it's crazy, baby. So the fourth pair of housemates welcome into the Big Brother house. They be best friends. Actually, they say their name na Chizoba and Onyeka. Their pair name together na Chicas. This season chokes to the brim. And the Chicas, they be sisters, which means na the same mama and papa na born two of them. They be from the same family. I hope say man no go come separate their bond as family, because this one, when it comes to Big Brother house, from the history of the things wey we don dey see since, we dey see talk say any relationship wey enter inside Big Brother, be it friendship, be it family and all of that, it always cause problem. Like Venita and Neo, they were actually they quarrel well for inside the house. When they come out, they settle and all of that. So I hope say e no go be like that for these sisters. So at the end of the opening show, Ebuka come tease them. He come talk say make dem stand up, say he wan do eviction that day. He just use and take ginger them up, make dem feel the tension, and they just enter inside the house. So tomorrow, they say 10 a.m. tomorrow, head of house game go start, and this night, immediately after the live opening show, say they go do the custodian challenge. Una know I don't talk with the custodian challenge before, so it's going to happen tonight. So we'll keep our eyes open. Let's go. The season does start. So those of now we say the sheep, it's time on as they look for sheep. Those of now we say they find bars, but those of now they open-minded like me, because I'm not shipping anybody, I'm not looking at anybody's face, I'm dragging anybody, I'm praising anybody. Everything is going to be hot this season. So we enjoy together. Now take care. Bye.